Welcome to this demo of Lydul. Today we'll focus on creating punch lists. So we will start from scratch, so feel free to pause when needed and follow the steps on your own device. The first step is to go to lydul.com and click sign up. From there, you can create a new account and input your name. You can then authenticate with your phone number. We will send you a unique password via SMS each time you authenticate. And that way you don't have to remember any password and can still log into the same account from all your devices. For this demo, we'll just skip this step and select the documents. Now let's go ahead and create our first punch list and keep the title the default title. And as you can see, punch lists in Lydul are organized in sections and sub-items. And so a section can be anything like a room or an area. For example, a kitchen, a bedroom, the front yard, for example. Or it can be a trade like plumbing, electrical, or something else. Or just a phase, right? Phase 1, phase 2 of the punch list. Items are typically tasks. So let's capture a few items and see how easy it is to capture photos and videos. So you can capture multiple photos in each task. And then you can scroll the list to add the photo to a different task or create a brand new one. You can also add notes. And by clicking the plus button, you can also add different types of data, such as PDF documents for floor plans, audio messages. You can also log in some time manually, linked to some sort of hourly rate that will automatically calculate the total. And all costs and amount logs will be reflected in the items. You can then mark items as done by swiping left or reviewed by swiping right. If you mark an item as reviewed, you will not be able to edit it and no one else will be anymore. So just be careful with that. Let's take a look at an item actually and what it looks like. You can see you have the photos here as well as a log of all the documents that all the data that you added there. You can also clock in as soon as you open up the item, and that way you can keep track of how much time you spend per item. You can, of course, add some completion photos once the item is done, and especially capturing videos, for example, by long pressing the capture button. Once you're done, you can just clock out by clicking on the red button again. And you can see we supported the location, so we tracked the location as you were clocked in, which will be an additional element of proof that you were clocked in and working on that specific item. Now, Lydul works best with your team, and so inviting people is super easy. Let's, for example, invite Mike Lewis here. And then we'll have him scan the QR code just to show you how easy it is to onboard someone. So that's it. Now, last but not least, you can export that list to a PDF that will reflect your brand. So just go ahead and follow the onboarding tool for the customization of the PDF. And you can select different layouts, photos, photo sizes, as well as input your contact information, company information that will all be displayed in your PDF. So that's it for this demo. If you haven't done so already, now you can go to lydul.com and create your own punch list.